Huh. This is brand new. I haven't seen it before. It says overall clothing shop, fashion boutique with a really cool. So yeah, this is actually kind of new. I didn't quite expect that. So yeah, we're in Taipa village. Looks like they're also doing a bunch of scaffolding here. Maybe something new is coming along here as well. That one is kind of new. That came through COVID. Actually, there's a lot of interesting stuff. Ramen shop. So anyways, I'm gonna just kind of do a short video around here and go down to the pizza place. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah, actually I was just kind of walking around in Taipa village as well. I'm just kind of surprised at how much it keeps changing, just how many new places are opening, and the amount of tourists here are phenomenal. So I bet like any kind of business idea right now would be phenomenal. There's a pretty well-known ramen shop. I don't remember this branch being here before. This might be new as well. The sign looks like it's not new though, or does it? Actually, it does look kind of new. Huh. Yeah, and then this one has all scaffold over it as well. And I'm just going to highlight this red one real quick as well. So yeah, this is kind of metamorphosizing. So this is a bar. Looks like they also serve noodles too. Called Drunken Tower. It's kind of early. It's already won some awards. 21st. Huh. Famous Chinese cuisine, real cheese brush Boston's lobster cheese hot pot. So that's a Boston's lobster's cheese hot pot. Huh. So anyways, I didn't expect that. So we got I didn't know that was a hot pot with Boston lobster in it. So there's the Galaxy Casino straight ahead. You can see it in the distance. That little place, that little dome that's in the forefront, that's been abandoned for a long, not abandoned, but empty for a long time, for 10 years. I've always wondered what the story is with that. And over there is Olympic Stadium. So you can see that red over there. That's a stadium where people can play soccer, whatever they want, with all kinds of stuff in there. What type of tavern is over there? We're gonna walk briefly over there real quick. It's kind of amazing, these lanterns here. I think they're taking them down, but they were here during the typhoon, and they survived. I guess they're up there pretty strong. This old type of tavern over there. So this little plaza, they'll put events going on in there, so they're setting something up. It's like a stage is being prepared. Maybe even there's a couple platforms. So anyways, I'm just here to get some pizza. And meanwhile, we just kind of give you a little bit of a, if you look straight ahead, you can see a Nike store at the end of the street, and then behind it is all these tall buildings. That's Taipa Central. So that's basically where most people reside that live in Taipa. If somebody says they live in Taipa, they probably live. And that's just a corner of it. It's a lot more, there's a lot more to it that you don't see as well. So anyways, I always like these green building right here too. I'm gonna get a shot of that real quick, and then I'm gonna get my pizza at Honest Pizza. There's right there, the green building. If you get a shot like that, it looks kind of interesting. It's kind of deceiving. It looks like it's a bunch of buildings like that. Honest Pizza is right there, so I'm gonna go get my pizza in a moment. And before we do, we got they do sugarcane here. So they just put the sugarcane in there. So I guess that's a fresh fruit. That's actually really popular too. So you can see all the prices in here too. So like 25, 28, they put it in yuan as well. And for the mainland Chinese, it's 30. They put the symbol for yuan. But this is really popular. It's you can get some fresh fruits like that. I don't recall seeing that before either. I don't recall seeing this guy either. I feel like I'm in a... Everything's changing so quickly. Is that shark fin? Maybe let me know if that's shark fin or not. It looks like... I think that's shark fin. If so, that's also really popular for mainland Chinese tourists too. Okay, so I'm gonna use that 7-Eleven. I guess we'll end it right there. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.